Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And it is live. The Crypto Elite Creator Pass is now here. There's 22 left available. Comes with exclusive content, giveaway, and AMAs. Go check it out if you are interested. In today's video, I had to talk about it. This is actually very large news, and it has to do with Binance and FTX. So if you're unfamiliar, we will go over that right now. But if you are familiar and you are wondering why the price of Theta has just crashed, and TFUEL and T-drop and the entire crypto space, we will talk about that right now because it's very interesting. And this is something that I did not see coming in 2022. I know that there was a lot of insolvent different exchanges out there, and it happened with Voyager, it happened with Celsius, but I did not think that FTX, which was the company that ended up buying out Voyager, one of the insolvent exchanges, would in turn be insolvent too. But that is what is happening right now. It's a very dynamic environment, so I will try and push out more updates. Things will continue to change, and actually I'll show you here at the tail end. There's something that popped up on Twitter right as I was about to put out this video, so I had to include that to the video too. So things are very dynamic. There may be further price action to the lower side, unfortunately, but like I said, we'll have to wait and see. Maybe things will stabilize as well. Hard to tell. But if you're unfamiliar, like I said, check out this article over here. It's FTX agrees to sell itself to rival Binance amid liquidity scare at the crypto exchange. And as we know, Sam Bankman-Fried is one of the billionaires in the crypto space, and he has bought many different crypto companies, many different exchanges. He is there to kind of save the day, or so we thought, until very recently. His #1 competitor was CZ at Binance, and they did not get together, see eye to eye, and that's a little bit of the backstory there. But long story short, we'll go full circle here. Binance has agreed to buy the rival cryptocurrency exchange, FTX. And right now they just put a letter of intent out to purchase it, so they can still back out, to the best of my knowledge, if they see things that are not up to their standards. So like I said, things are very dynamic. If Binance does decide to back out, then the crypto space will definitely fall a lot more than where it currently is. As you can see here, BTC is down at 17,295 at the time of this recording, at least. Hopefully by the time you see it, it'll be somewhere around that price also. So the deal had a lot of drama, but earlier this year, FTX was valued at $32 billion, which was very, very big. It was the #2 crypto exchange at the time. And things have come full circle, as SBF says. He's going to be the first and the last investor of FTX. So kind of bittersweet there, but it happens because there's lack of liquidity, and it's all due to a bank run. So if you know that a crypto exchange does not have the allotted crypto there, and everyone decides to pull their money out at once, then this is what happens. Someone has to provide that liquidity ASAP. And in this case, it is Binance providing liquidity for FTX. And unfortunately, Binance is going to become the #1 crypto exchange by a far margin. And I don't necessarily like that. I do like that there is competition out there. Healthy competition is good for the entire space. This is just exchanges, so it's not necessarily cryptocurrencies themselves. So it's not like Binance is taking over BTC or Binance is taking over Ethereum. But like I said, there's always good to have healthy competition, whether it be Coca-Cola and Pepsi, Walmart and Target. It's always good for the greater environment for the consumers, because you don't want one company, Binance, to be able to set, let's say they wanted to make the purchasing price for any crypto $5, some sort of wild commission. They can do that because it's going to be one of the largest exchanges, or it is the largest exchange out there. And with the crypto winter out there, it's probably going to get larger if more of these exchanges become insolvent. So that is kind of what's happening. We can see it over here. Guy posted this. So in the past 24 hours, Alameda research of FTX concerns lead to a dump of FTT token, which leads to the FTX liquidity concerns, which leads to the FTX being bought by Binance. Those are the three things that I did want to highlight that has happened over the past couple hours, which is pretty huge. A lot of things moving. And due to that, the overall market cap, which was climbing up not too long ago, just to get the retail investors sucked in, it was above $1 trillion. And now we are well below that $1 trillion market cap at about $874 million. As you can see here, BTC is down about 15% in the last 7 days, 24 hours, 11%. And we are down to that 17,000 mark. And it looks like we may continue to slide at this rate, but like I said, things are very, very dynamic. Maybe this layer of support will hold, to be determined. So that is what's happening with Bitcoin right now. We can also see it in Theta, and I swear, guys, this always happens whenever there's a bull run action with Theta. Every single time there's forward momentum, something big in the crypto news happens and it just comes slamming down. So it seems like Theta can never get a break, but as you can see here, we were up at the $1.30 range, and now we are hovering around the $1 mark. And this is a very, very big level of support. So hopefully we can hang here. If not, it might be a lot more red coming soon, unfortunately. We can see the same thing with T-fuel. It was once again in that bull cycle. We were doing pretty big things, and that's all with the Theta version 4.0, which came out, and then mainnet 4.0, which is coming very, very soon. There's that bull run action, and once again, we are slamming back down, and that's just due to the greater factors at play right now. So that is what I did want to bring up. And the most important things right now, it seems like FTX US users, at least, they are able to withdraw their funds, which is good to hear for now. Things could change. Things are very dynamic, as I said before. But if you haven't already, this just highlights the importance of having a Trezor or a ledger. So these hardware wallets where you can take your crypto off of exchanges. If you haven't already, I highly recommend doing that. I do have a link in the description below if you'd like to support the channel, but definitely do that. It is at your benefit because it may cost you a little bit of a transaction, maybe a couple cents or a couple dollars to send your money off of a crypto exchange. But if a crypto exchange goes insolvent, then if you had a couple $1,000s or tens of thousands of dollars on that crypto exchange, right now it's not backed by the government. So if it goes down, your money goes with it. So that's why it is very important to have these hardware wallets because you have custody of the crypto. So early in the video, I did talk about something else that popped in as I was making or doing a little bit of research, and it was this right here. Crypto.com suspends USDT and USDC deposits and withdrawal on the Solana chain. More to come with this in the future. I think that'll just continue to cause more pain. As we know, Solana and FTX, there is a huge partnership there. So we will definitely see what is to come with that. So a little bit outside of the Theta news, but if you find this interesting, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one.